Go to download Edits and Instagram app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, search for Edits. So it will pop up in the first. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Instagram. Now here on the bottom, simply tap on install. So what is Edits? Edits is an editing application that is provided by Instagram. Here you can add filters, edit the photos and videos however you like. So it makes it more easier to post it in the Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.